Hello Driving Intelligence community. This is a quick tip for you if you own a CTS or CTsv of this generation. My first generation CTS, and this happens to be a CTsv with the LS2 engine, 2006 model, only came with one hood strut. And that was kind of surprising me because most of the other vehicles I've worked on, for example, that 2002 Harley Davidson that I own, has two hood struts to make sure that that hood doesn't close on your head as it wears. This one, only one. But for whatever reason, Cadillac already threaded the hood for the nipple that goes to this hood strut, and also leaves a hole down here for you to put the other nipple with a nut on the back to install another hood strut and make sure that that thing stays up, no problem whatsoever. If you go to a junkyard and you want to take care of this, grab you a couple of those nipples, and you'll have to order a new strut online. I wouldn't get one out of the junkyard. And you've got dual struts holding up your hood. Hope you liked that video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, and see you next time on Driving Intelligence.